My name is Edson Nkonde, the director of the Zambia Meteorological Department. We are coming from a situation of quite sparse ground observation stations. So for us to provide adequate information, we had to undertake a program of expanding and modernizing our observation infrastructure. This is not just a weather project, it's an infrastructure investment with long-term benefits for agriculture, water resource management, disaster risk management, early warning information, and national development. We've worked with Campbell Scientific as our technology partner, who have supplied us with the ground observation stations. It has been quite an interesting and exciting project for us. We now have the capability to get that data in almost real time, share it with the global community for modeling purposes, share it with the region, the SADC region. We've established now in excess of over 180 stations. We're now covering the whole districts in the country, the 116 districts, but also, most importantly, also covering our water bodies. Because in the past we've had challenges to provide information, especially for people crossing on the big lakes like Kariba, Mweru and Bangweulu, where if we don't observe, we can't give accurate information to guide those who are using water transport. So installing this infrastructure around those who support us in our quest to provide early warning information for those using water transport.